Today I'm showing you my go-to cleaning companion, the Kenmore Elite CrossOver Bagged HEPA Canister Vacuum. I've owned this vacuum since 2017, and after 5 moves across 3 different states, it's still performing as good as it did on day 1. A big reason why I bought this vacuum versus an upright vacuum is because it sits perfectly on my stairs and stays securely in place as I clean. This vacuum includes a lot of incredible features. It comes with a variety of handy accessories, making it versatile for any cleaning situation. It has multiple detachable parts and accessible compartments that make it easy to keep clean. Plus, it has an LED indicator light that takes the guesswork out of knowing when to change the bag. It has an extra long power cord with a convenient push-to-recoil mechanism. Whether you're dealing with high-pile rugs or sleek hardwood floors, the CrossOver's 4 adjustable height levels and direct suction power control from the wand make it a breeze to use. So if you're looking for a vacuum that combines efficiency, versatility, and durability, the Kenmore Elite CrossOver is the way to go.